Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to change language on Netflix. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. Start by clicking open a web browser and go to netflix.com and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into your account, from your home screen, go and click on your profile icon at the upper right, and you'll be able to see an expanded menu on the display. Click on Account, and under Account Page, scroll all the way down to Profile and Parental Controls, and click on One Profile from where you'd like to change the language. Once you click on the downside arrow right next to your profile, you'll be able to see a language option displayed. Click on Change right next to Language, and on the next page, you can also change the display language if you wish. This will change the language of the text you see on Netflix. You can choose from one of the options over here and change your display language as well. Scroll all the way down, and under Shows and Movies Language, you'll be able to see all of the languages that are available on the display. You can choose any language that you'd like to watch shows and movies on Netflix with. This will also help you set up your audio and subtitles as well. After you're done with your choices, click on Save, and you'll be able to change your display or your movies and TV shows language on Netflix. I hope the video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.